everyone, welcome to the channel. I am Ayushi, and now for the first few minutes in this video I am going to deliver my opinion about internships in general, and then I am going to talk about my very first internship in college. Okay, so without any further ado, we should just start the video, right? Okay, now my perspective of an internship is a demo or a reality check of a real job, of an actual job. Now whatever you are going to do in your internship, it will give you an idea about the work which is going to be there, or how you are going to work when you actually get placed, of course, in the same profile. Okay, now apart from everything that an internship provides, like your certification, recommendation, then your stipend, etc., an internship, according to me, gives you two very important and two very major things. First is your learning, which could be lifelong as well, if you consider, and second is your experience and exposure. Okay, so for that case, choosing an internship is very important in a wise way, right? Of course, right? Now, since you guys would be going to Delhi University and soon your college is going to start, so in that case, if you start early in college, that would really help you guys. Okay, now according to me, you should just start in your very first semester, start looking for internships. Okay, now, but to what extent an internship actually helps, it depends upon some factors, and we should consider them for sure. Okay, now the very first factor, the most important factor, is the actual work which is going to be there, and not just the profile. Okay, the fascinating looking profile, the actual work which is going to be there. Of course, your certificate and your so-called experience would be helpful afterwards, but right now you should just focus upon, in college you should focus upon your learning, what you are going to learn from that, is it beneficial or not, right? So the first thing is that. The second point is the whether the internship is virtual or in office, right? Now this factor, it matters to some extent only, not that much, because if you get an in office internship, right, in that case you would learn more, because in an office internship you would get more exposure towards the actual office, the long hours, the environment of working there and stuff like that. Whereas in a virtual internship, you'd be sitting comfortably in your homes and you would not get that particular experience, right? So you can decide upon that. Now the third factor is also there, which according to me doesn't plays a very important role, but according to some people it does, right? What is the third factor? The third factor is basically the relevance, the amount of sense or the amount of relevance that a particular internship plays. By that I mean how much that internship is relevant to your current career line, or your current field of study. Like, for suppose you are doing a particular course, is that internship related to your course? Of course, so that factor is not something in which I believe, because I believe in exploring new things and various fields. Because you have 3 long years of this of this entire college life, right? So if you start very early, like in your very first semester, and by the end of the third semester, third year, you guys would be very clear, and you guys would be having that clarity about what you actually want to do. If you start interning very early in the college and you try different fields, because then you can eliminate your options, and you would not regret later that I didn't try this particular field just because this was not my area, right? So according to me, you shouldn't restrict yourself to that particular thing. Like a science person can definitely go for content writing, right? Not subject matter expert, actual content writing. Okay, so that is a point. Now I think I should come to my experience. So I did my very first internship in college after 2 months of entering the college. Now I interned for a startup, and my profile was social media ambassador. My experience of the internship was not at all great, and in fact it was very funny if I think about it right now. Okay, now basically what mistake I did was, I didn't give any shit about the actual job description. I was so fascinated by the profile only, the social media ambassador thing, and I actually thought about handling the social medias of the brand, and not, but the actual work which was there was promoting the brand. Like, what was my work? I didn't learn anything from it. There was no exposure, no learning, no experience, nothing was there. It was just promotional stuff. And what was my actual work was just to increase their likes, comments, the number of app downloads and stuff like that. So I just used to message my friend, hey, can you please like this post for me, can you please download this app for me, and this was my work. And which was of no use according to me. So basically I'm telling about my experience. I didn't learn anything from it. And there are such kind of internships. So what was the thing with me, I was so desperate to get one internship that I end up choosing any kind of it. And I just and at that time I was just happy to get a certificate which was virtual, just like the internship, and it is not at all useful for me right now. Okay, so this is the learning. Don't run after certificates, don't run after virtual certificates according to me. Okay, and you should actually focus on the actual work which is going to there, because that is the work which would get you somewhere, not the certificate or the stipend. And in the starting time you should not just focus on stipend, because it does not comes in the very starting, in most of the cases I would say. Okay, now my internship was just 1 month long. Okay, and I just got the certificate and I was happy about the certificate at that time. Now this was the bait for me, and being very foolish, I ended up doing 2 more internships in similar profiles of campus ambassador and social media marketing. And the actual work was same in both these internships, like that internship only, and it provided me no learning, no experience, no exposure, nothing. I just got that digital certificate which is still lying in my phone, and which is of no use to me right now. Okay, so that was the work, and this was my mistake to not really fetch for some meaningful internship somewhere, but just take upon any kind of internship which was I was getting at that point, because just one thing was in my mind, that I have to increase the number of internships, but that shouldn't be there in your case, because I'm telling you guys, right, the count of internships or the number of internships doesn't help. Because okay, now one thing which happened, I did so many of internships of this kind. Okay, this just overflooded my CV with this kind of profiles, so that is not good. Okay, so I would suggest you guys to do meaningful internships, starting from one. Okay, do at least one internship in your 3 years, so you can go to any number of internships. Okay, like if you do even one meaningful internship every semester, you will get 6 by the end of third year. If you do a meaningful internship every 1 year, okay, like first year, second year, third year, then you will get 3 meaningful internships by the end of your college, right? But not these kind of internships. I don't suggest you should go for these. Okay, so what you guys have to actually do, first you have to look at the profile, second at the actual work, that is your job description. And if the job description is not mentioned, you should ask for the job description, as it is very important. And yeah, I think these two are the only important factors, and just then work very selflessly for that particular case, and don't look for stipends in the very starting, because stipends are not there in very starting. And if you'll get some experience, then it will eventually come to you after doing 1 or 2. Okay, and basically for virtual internship, stipends are generally not there, but for in-office they are there, right? So according to me, look for in-office internships to get better exposure, better experience, and about getting to know exactly about the corporate world. Okay, so look for the in-office internships, then go for the job description. And I think that I have given you some idea, and I have just portrayed my opinion about this thing, and I've given you my experience about this internship. To some people this could be beneficial as well, but I've just given my opinion towards to my audience about my experience, and about the thing that what should you guys do and what shouldn't. Okay, so one point I'm making very clear, that always go for all the profiles. Okay, try out different profiles, and do not restrict yourselves. Okay, and by the end of 3 years, you will get a clarity for sure, what to do, what not to do. And because the studies in Delhi University, they are not at all hectic, they are quite chill. Okay, yeah, they are quite chill. And so you can easily manage an internship per semester. And of course there are summers. Okay, so every year there will be summer vacations in your very first semester, very first year, second year, and third year. So in summer, internships are there. In summers you can go for them. and try to do in-office internships in those periods, okay, and not for the do not go for the virtual ones in your summer breaks. And for the rest of the year, when you are having your college, you can go for the virtual ones, but meaningful ones, not the ones do not repeat the same mistake that I did. And the whole point of making the video is just to make you aware, okay, about my mistake and what you guys should learn from it, okay. So I hope that this video was helpful, and please press the like button if you like the video. Do subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon as well to get the notifications, and I'll see you in my next video, okay. Till then, bye.